Okay, I just wanted to show you what I'm doing for my new customers to help with retention. And so I will share this Canva document with you. And I'm not sure what the balloons are about. So there's a checklist when you use the template. And these first 2 pages here are just more of instructions of just ideas of what you can use and do to help get your new customers started. So that's that. And then these next 3 pages are what you print. And so if you go up to share, you can do download, and I would just change that to a PDF for best printing and just download those. And then when you go to print, you can actually print it on the back and the front, these first 2, page 3 and 4. So it turns out like, this is what I'm sending. So it has this, and then you open it up and it has all the goodies in there in the back. So it's all formatted to print just fine on your regular printer. You can even print it black and white if you only have black and white. And then this one, there's 2 on there, so you want to cut it in half. And I'm just putting it on the inside of this when I send it. And I'm writing a little message to them. I'm marking off the sample bottles. So if you look on this page, I'll write a little note to them, customizing it. I put in their member number, I put in my phone number, email, and then I mark off any of these. These are just ideas. You don't have to send all this. Even if they don't get them, they're seeing, oh, there's lots of different things that they can get. You might just send one little oil sample. And I love using the things that are on hand or that I have extra of. And so this is what I do for peppermint beadlets. Super inexpensive. You can get these little baggies on Amazon. If you just go get, I guess, a baggie or whatever, stick a peppermint beadlet on it. So super easy thing. You can get the bottles through your doTERRA account, or I did get some of these Mylar sample baggies that you can put oils in, put the cap sticker on it, and then you seal it with like a hot iron or a straight hair iron. These are nice because when you buy them, you get PV for PV Assist, also for the Meta Power. You get PV for your little samples there. You can also do like consumable, like soft gels or any of the capsules, and put a sticker on there, or just write in permanent marker on it what it is. And the other ones, you can get samples from doTERRA with the deep blue and the toothpaste, but you don't get PV for it. So just be aware of that. And then also you can get on your order these cap stickers, which I found super helpful. They're inexpensive. Sometimes they'll have like a buy one, get one free. So you buy a sheet, get one free, but they have the single oils and the, what are they called? The blends in there. So that's helpful for people to have. You can get the packets of Lifelong Vitality if you want to send a packet of those. Just know that's available, and you can do all or nothing. Just send this if you want. And you can even email it. You can save it as a PNG, so an image, and you could send that to them. If there's anything on here that you want to customize, you can. All of these QR codes are generic. They don't go to anything that's my personal stuff. These are great because they can scan and go to the Facebook group. This gives them the Live Guide. This is the email series that we have with the Wellness Collective, our Facebook group, the recordings of the continuing education, our Meta Power challenge, and then it has some great videos and testimonials on that page. This is a guide, an ebook that has a ton of recipes and just show you a bunch of different ways that you can use doTERRA products, and then refer a friend link. So when you're doing your wellness consult, I recommend doing them through Zoom, that you've sent this to them and you're referring to it as you're going along, because this will cover a lot of the things that we want to make sure that we're covering in our wellness consults. And then on the back of this, there is a wish list where I just say, hey, this is how you can go over the Loyalty Rewards program, and more information is here. If you ever forget, you can scan that or go to our website, but be making a list of your favorite products. Of course, you can send the Live Guide. It just is not that sending friendly. I also did get these from Amazon. And then if you want to stick your goodies in a little bag, you can do that. You don't have to do any of that. But then the other thing that I do send is just some type of guide. So you can get the Healthy Can Be Simple through your doTERRA orders. They're really inexpensive. Or like Oil Life, Aroma Tools, other places will have these A to Z guides or other little booklets that you're welcome to share. Or don't send one and just tell them to get the $5 app, right? So I hope that is helpful for making sure that you're doing those wellness consults, connecting with them, and helping them to start off right with their doTERRA membership.